falling apart.
Oh, it's falling apart?
Yeah, that piece of wood back there decided to let go. But
it's falling out, yeah. Yes, sir.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Whoa, could you tell me your name and what's in here?
My name's Kevin Ruffin. Got 4 EVL.
I'll get in here. Yeah, let me get in first. Sorry about that. Just a little more professional.
My name's Kevin Ruffin. I got a 4 EVL 15, 120 amp hours with the in-wall, 2 auto tech 370s, pushing 2.5 plus 4Ks. Some EVL 15s.
Wow.
Reflection.
You did good. Solid, man.
Falling apart.
Oh, it's falling apart?
Yeah, that piece of wood back there decided to let go. But
it's falling out, yeah. Yes, sir. All right. Looks good. Yours must be tuned low. That's tuned pretty low.
28.
28?
It'll pull all the way from 25 to 50.
Can I see the box tonight? Nice. You got space behind the back too, so you don't. Looks good. Are you still planning to do some baffle layers on the top? Wow.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We got a Kevin system he was showcasing at the Summer Showcase show in Jacksonville, Florida area. I could definitely tell the roof of his vehicle is pretty much tearing apart from so much subflex. Be sure to give him a like as well as comment what you like about his system. I like the box layout, efficient subwoofer cone area to port area, and the way he has his whole back area pretty much based off of just the stereo system. So he doesn't have back seats, which means he's a full-on bass head. This is a bass truck system. Could be a daily driver too. If you notice, the left sub here is actually got a puncture, and the sub was probably having some issues with the low-end flex. So you'll see that during the demo if you pay attention. And you'll see a lot of the back hatch flex. My wife got outside while we were getting a demo. He was going to be playing down into the low 20 hertz range, and don't recommend playing frequencies this low if you don't want to tear up your vehicle. Pay real close attention. You'll see how his subwoofer box layout is with subs up. Port back is definitely most optimal, and you'll see how far back it is from the hatch. Plays this low-end frequency. His roof was breaking apart during this demo with 8,000 watts on 4 15-inch subs. Thank y'all for tuning in. We're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button with notification bell on for daily videos coming your way every day on YouTube, Jacob Vile, and enjoy this 3-minute demo.
tuned low. That's tuned pretty low.
28.
28.
It'll pull all the way from 25 to 50.
That was crazy. I appreciate the demo. Wow.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.